Papa. Jesus again.
Hello?
Hello?
Hello, can you hear me?
Hello, bro, I can hear you.
Please, can you send me your account number?
What?
I want to do Valentine for you.
Well, say that again.
Can you send me your account number?
You sent you my account number.
Your account number, yes.
Okay. You know what? I'm sending you now. I'll send you now. Alright. Thanks, dear. Bye.
I love you.
What the kind of...
I can't let you go. I'm beginning to fall in love.
Go follow her. 50K. Jesus, I've been dulling on this boy. Let me call him back. Hello.
Hello, my love.
Oh, thank you so much, dear. I saw the alert. Yeah, thank you so much.
Don't worry, love. Don't worry. Don't mention. We are not many that know how to show love.
Oh, now Valentine is looking so red. Oh, thank you so much. You know what? I feel like I should do something special in return.
Yes.
So, are you going to be at home this evening? If you're at home, I'll tell the dispatch driver to come and send you something really special. Because the way you surprised me, I want to surprise you too. What do you think about that?
Yes, I will be at home there.
Okay, I'll let you know when the guy is in front of your house.
I'll be expecting.
Alright, bye.
Don't worry. Take care of yourself. Take care of yourself very well.
Oh, I pretty love you.
Few inches later.
Hello, my love.
Babe, what? Yeah, the guy is already in front of your house. Can you go out and check?
Oh, okay, my love. All right, dear.
Alright, I hope you love the surprise.
Thank you very much, love.
Bye.
I love you.
Will you keep quiet?
Yeah.
I really did a really good job. I'm actually a really nice person. I'm not really a diva, I'm a nice person actually. He's going to love his gift.
My nigga.
She loves for real. What a woman loves. She loves for real. She took me there. After I broke her heart about 1,000 times. She gave her life to me.
Oh, Mumu not too much. Oh, Mumu not too much. Now, Mumu not too much. You be Mumu. You think say they wise? Mumu man. Mumu man. How many times did they tell you before you know that Nigeria is not for you? Ah? So you are trying to do CC. You are trying to please everybody like this? No. Man, know thyself. You don't know yourself. Sorry, oh. May God not allow them, may them kill you. They never show you say
Oh, sorry. Don't cry. Do it.
Oh my God. Bye.